Greetings from the most popular beach in Cagliari. This is Poetto beach, Spiaggia di Poetto, 8 kilometers long sandy beach in the capital of Sardinia. And it's time for another day of beach adventures with Chris. And this is the day 3 of my Sardinia trip. It is very hot today despite it being a bit cloudy. It is 26 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna check very soon how much it is in the sea. This is the Mediterranean Sea, and as you can see, the beach continues all the way to that end. And I was surprised that it was a bit crowded at the beginning of the beach. You can see also the mountain over there. I was on the other side 2 days ago, as when I was visiting some of the beaches in Cagliari, and I kept Poetto for today, as today is going to be all about chill in the sea. I was yesterday in Villa Simius and those beautiful beaches, and back over there it was such a lovely sea. It's a very different sea over there because there is a mix of the Mediterranean and the Tyrrhenian Sea. And yes, it's my last full day in Cagliari. I have checked out of my B&B, bread and breakfast, and I don't have a place to sleep tonight because I have an early flight, so I'm going to be partying in some of the clubs here. So I'm planning to get to the airport at 5 and get ready for the flight. So no sleep for me tonight, so I'm gonna party, as many of the restaurants and clubs are opened until 4 a.m. so that's not gonna be a problem for me. Okay, 24 degrees Celsius in the sea, despite Google saying that it's 22.6. So 3 days in a row Google says that it's colder and colder in the sea, but now I measured 24 degrees Celsius. And now I have walked around 2 kilometers along the beach because it was crowded at the beginning, believe me. And who would have thought on this 23rd of October? Then again, it's an 8 kilometers long beach, so there is place for everyone. The forecast says also that it's going to rain later, so let's see how that's gonna be. But I'm gonna be all day on the beach today, and I'm gonna be walking to the very end maybe. Let's see, find a more secluded spot, because here there are also a few people. And yeah, so I have now checked my watch and it says 9.5 kilometers when I started from the center, from the old historical center, but I also went around the city a little today. Otherwise it is 5.5 kilometers from the center, so it means that I walked 4 kilometers around. Yes, Poetto beach, as I have mentioned, a very long beach, and also a party beach during the summer months, as I have read on the reviews. And there are so many beach bars over here, and at the very end there is also a McDonald's that it's open until 2 a.m. in the weekdays and until 4 a.m. for the weekends. The one at the center closes at midnight, but there are many other bars and restaurants that open later than midnight, as people in Italy like to eat dinner quite late actually. So yeah, the water is clean and clear, and it's time for beach adventure with Chris. And I'm going to swim for maybe half an hour now. Let's see. So yeah, then ready, set, and go. Poetto Beach, Cagliari, Sardinia. Magnificent. I love it. So I might do also one beach adventure later also from Poetto down the road. as I will have all day in front of me, and now it is only 1 p.m. So greetings from Poetto beach in Cagliari, Sardinia, and it's time for me to enjoy a nice swim at this crystal clear water at this super long beach. So it's so beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure at my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.